Welcome to Auto Buzz TV, the ultimate destination for exploring the most unique and innovative vehicles around the world. Today, we're diving into something truly eye-catching, the Yellow RV Camper Tricycle, a mini mobile home on three wheels that's changing the way people think about travel and adventure. This compact yet powerful trike combines the fun of a motorcycle with the comfort of a camper, wrapped in a bright and cheerful yellow color that instantly turns heads wherever it goes. It's not just a ride, it's a lifestyle on wheels. The first thing that stands out about the Yellow RV Camper Tricycle is its bold and sunny design. The yellow body gives it a lively, energetic feel, symbolizing freedom and happiness on the open road. It's perfect for people who love to travel solo or as a couple and enjoy the thrill of the outdoors without sacrificing comfort. Built with a sturdy frame, this tricycle is designed for balance and stability, making it easy to handle even for long journeys. The front wheel offers smooth steering while the dual rear wheels provide solid support for the camper section. Whether you're cruising through city streets or exploring countryside roads, the Yellow RV Camper Tricycle gives you both adventure and relaxation in one amazing package. Now let's talk about what makes this trike a true mini camper. Inside the compact RV cabin, every inch is smartly designed. There's a cozy sleeping area that can fit one or two people comfortably. You'll also find built-in storage compartments for essentials like food, clothes, and camping gear. Some models even include a foldable table, power outlets, and LED lighting, turning this small space into a surprisingly functional living area. The Yellow RV Camper Tricycle also offers the convenience of solar panels mounted on top. These panels charge the onboard battery, letting you power your lights, mini fans, and small appliances without needing to stop at charging stations. That means more freedom, less hassle, and a smaller carbon footprint, perfect for eco-conscious travelers. When it comes to performance, the tricycle is built for both comfort and efficiency. Depending on the model, it can be powered by either a fuel engine or an electric motor. The electric versions are especially popular for their quiet operation and zero emissions. You can expect a range of around 60 to 100 kilometers on a full charge, which makes it ideal for weekend getaways or short road trips. One of the best features of this trike is its easy parking and maneuverability. Unlike large RVs, which can be difficult to handle in tight spaces, this compact camper can fit into regular parking spots and navigate narrow roads with ease. It's perfect for spontaneous travelers who love stopping wherever they find a beautiful view or a peaceful camping spot. The Yellow RV Camper Tricycle isn't just practical, it's also stylish. The sleek curves, bright finish, and modern detailing give it a futuristic yet fun appearance. The interior design can be customized with cushions, lights, and even small decorations to make it feel like a cozy home away from home. This tricycle also encourages sustainable and minimalist living. Instead of relying on large vehicles with high fuel consumption, travelers can now explore the world with a lightweight, energy-efficient camper that provides everything they need in one small space. It's about embracing freedom, simplicity, and creativity while traveling in comfort. Imagine hitting the road with the wind in your hair, sunshine reflecting off that beautiful yellow paint, and no limits on where you can go. Whether it's a weekend camping trip, a beach ride, or a quiet escape into the mountains, the Yellow RV Camper Tricycle lets you create your own adventure. Anytime, anywhere. It's not just a vehicle, it's a symbol of independence and joy. It appeals to adventurers, solo travelers, digital nomads, and anyone who dreams of combining mobility with comfort. So if you're someone who loves exploring new places without giving up the cozy vibe of home, the Yellow RV Camper Tricycle might just be your next travel companion. You've been watching Auto Buzz TV, your go-to channel for the coolest and most creative rides from around the world. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you enjoyed discovering the amazing Yellow RV Camper Tricycle. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest vehicle reviews and innovations. Thanks for watching Auto Buzz TV, where innovation meets adventure, and every ride tells a new story.